3, go!
Hey guys, welcome to Queen of Vlogs, and today we are here at the entrance, and this is the park. It's called Grand Wheels, and there's all of this. There's like a regular park there, and there's a beautiful beach.
Maganda yung view.
Ito nga pala si Justin Bieber.
Wow.
Ayun sila. Oy, wag kayo masyadong bumaba. Nakakadulas yan, ha? Good job, mother.
That's a beautiful beach with its clear water.
What's the clearest water beach you've been to?
I forgot what it's called, but it's really was a I only remember the Santo
Espiritu Santo. Here at Entrance Beach. That's right.
Dito ko lang pala. Ikot-ikot ako eh.
Dulas ka eh. Yung pagkakabansar mo. Alam mo yan. Very relaxing scenery right here. Ayun na, umupo na lang sila mami doon. Ganda. Ayan yung rock. The rock formation.
Pagulong-gulong tayo.
Pagkapagulong-gulong na kami. Ganda. Ang ganda ng view. Look, I'll show you. Ganda. Amazing. May mga rock-rock pa sa likod. Andun sila mom and dad waiting for us. Tada! Searching. Come on. Light. Tony. Kit, wave hi.
Kahan, drive. Kahanin. Ay, si Angeli may dagri.
Ay, dagdag. Ah, ito pa pala yung isa. Tubig. Ayun, pinapakitain tayo ni Kuya Paul sa video. Ang dami ng dala. Bayo mo, pogi sa video. Isang bagsak. Good job, Queen.
kanginan yan, yung gitnan yan.
Baby, handa ka na
Alam
ba?
mo, lakas ng
This is the end of the video. Please stay tuned for different videos. Bye.